Judges sign Sheikh Hasina and Kamal's verdict, sentencing death. 64 districts get SPs through lottery system, OC transfer soon. Law and order situation not satisfactory, admits CEC. No Western pressure to hold elections taking all political parties, says foreign advisor. Those were the headlines. Good evening, viewers. I'm Nafisa Nawal with English Bulletin. The three judges of the International Crimes Tribunal ICT1 have signed ousted Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and former Home Minister Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal's full verdict, sentencing death. The tribunal on Wednesday afternoon released the full text of the 453-page verdict sentencing Sheikh Hasina and Kamal to death and former IGP Chaudhry Abdullah Al Mamoon to 5 years in prison for crimes against humanity committed during the July uprising. The Tribunal 1 bench headed by Justice Ghulam Murtoza Mujumdar with members Justice Shofiul Alam Mahmood and Judge Mohitul Haq Enam Chaudhry delivered the verdict on November 17. The Anti-Corruption Commission ACC has started verification whether the 832 bhori gold of ousted Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina recovered from the Agrani Bank vault is legal. The Director General of ACC, Akhtar Hussain, said according to the document, the owners of the recovered gold are Sheikh Hasina, her daughter Saima Wajid Putul and her sister Sheikh Rehana. Based on information, the ACC conducted a raid at the principal branch of Agrani Bank in capital's Motijil throughout Tuesday night with the permission of the court. Representatives of several state agencies were present at the time. Ahead of the upcoming parliamentary elections, the interim government has issued a gadget for the position of new superintendents of police SPs to 64 districts through lottery system. The Ministry of Home issued the gadget on Wednesday. The lottery was held at Chief Advisor's official residence Jamuna on Monday. Earlier on August 6, Home Affairs Advisor retired Lieutenant General Jahangir Alam Chaudhry had said the interim government has taken a decision of transferring the SPs and OCs through lottery system. Meanwhile, Home Advisor Jahangir Alam Chaudhry said, considering the law and order situation of the country, the lottery system would apply to officer in charge postings like that of the SPs. He said this while talking to journalists after a review meeting of Annual Development Programme of Ministry of Agriculture and the Secretariat on Wednesday. The advisor said the SPs postings have been done under three categories based on the law and the order situation. After categorizing the districts, the officers were assigned accordingly. The law and order situation in the country is not at satisfactory level. However, it will be improved before the election. Chief Election Commissioner A.M. Nasiruddin said this while inspecting electoral training and drill at BGB headquarters on Wednesday morning. He said there will remain separate arrangements at the risky areas to control the situation. He stated that the law and the order situation following the August 5 is not perfect, but it has improved. It will be better before the election, the CEC added. There is no pressure on the interim government from the West to hold elections, taking all political parties. Foreign Affairs Advisor Tawhid Hussain said this in reply to a query of journalists at his ministry on Wednesday. The advisor stated that the answer of the letter sent to India informing Sheikh Hasina's verdict in the crimes against humanity case will not be received immediately. India is yet to give response of a letter which was sent earlier Tawhid Hussain further said, European pressure over purchasing Airbus will put no negative impact in relations. Acting chairperson of BNP Tariq Rahman has said local and foreign conspiracy against the country is yet to be stopped. However, the conspirators will never be successful if all remain united. He made the comments on his Facebook post to pay tribute to the memory of Shohid Dr. Samsul Alam Milon, who was martyred during the movement against the autocracy in 19th. BNP Secretary General Mirza Fakhrul Islam Alamgir has slammed the attacks on Bowls. He said the path of vengeance like attacks on the Bowls is not fair. Mirza Fakhrul made the comment after inaugurating the local BNP office in Thakurgaon on Wednesday afternoon. German ambassador to Bangladesh Rudiger Lotz has pressed for a real national reconciliation in Bangladesh. The German envoy made the comment while responding to journalists' queries at the decab talk organized by the Diplomatic Correspondents Association, Bangladesh and the National Press Club on Wednesday. Talking to Sheikh Hasina's trial, he said misuse of power must be tried, but Europe is against death sentence. The German ambassador said it is up to Bangladesh whether they add Boeing or Airbus in their aircraft. However, excluding Airbus from Bangladesh Airlines aircraft procurement process could affect Bangladesh's strategic relation with European Union. Before ending the bulletin, top stories once again. Judges sign Sheikh Hasina and Kamal's verdict sentencing death. 64 districts get SPs through lottery system, OC transfers soon. Law and order situation not satisfactory, admits CEC. No Western pressure to hold elections taking all parties, says foreign advisor. That's all from the newsroom for the moment. Thank you for being with us.